Hi everyone, my name is Preshayla and today I'm going to be taking you through a GCSE Physics example question from the exam board AQA. It's about static electricity. The question is as follows. A student rubs an acetate rod with a cloth. Figure 1 shows the charges on the acetate rod and cloth before and after rubbing. Explain how this rubbing of an acetate rod with a cloth causes the rod and the cloth to both become charged. So we need to be thinking about electrons, the movement of electrons, charges, which direction the electrons move in, and the two materials that are included to help us with this question. So the content that you need to include in your answer is that friction is the force that causes the electrons to move from the acetate rod to the cloth. The net charge on the cloth, because of this movement of electrons, is now negative, and the net charge on the rod is now positive. So, in the after picture, we can see that the net charge on the rod is positive because there are more positive charges, and the net charge on the cloth is negative because there are more negative charges. When certain insulating materials are rubbed against each other, they become electrically charged. Negatively charged electrons are rubbed off of one material and onto another. The material that gains electrons becomes negatively charged, and the material that loses electrons becomes positively charged. It's important to note that the content above must be included, but to get full marks for this question, which would tend to be a 4-mark question, your argument must be made logically and clearly, breaking down all the steps and how they link to one another.